couples share many wonderful experiences together. Take some time for renewal and relaxation with your special someone by experiencing customized special couples massages at Manhattan's premier full-service DYANNA SPA. Choose between our extensive menus of services ranging from Swedish, deep tissue, fusion, hot stone, or aromatherapy massage. Enjoy the ambience of a private couples massage experience, nestled next to a cozy fireplace, romantically lit, intimate and serene setting. Your own private getaway for two. Choose between 60 minutes or 90 minutes of service, which will leave the both of you mentally and physically recharged and relaxed. Perfect for a special occasion or a much-needed pampering session you both have been waiting for.
Visit us for more at www.DYANNASPA.com. Call us to schedule an appointment at 212-995-2355.